In this video, I will show you how to get balloons in LEGO Fortnite Survival. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to go ahead and get balloons, there's a couple of things you're going to need. You're going to need some torches, silk fabric and cord. To actually get silk fabric, what you need to do is build a loom, and basically what you can do is use this to get your silk fabric, and to get your cord you can use a spinning wheel. So you just want to go ahead and build those two items, and you can obtain silk from spiders, and you can get the cord from vines, and you can come and use the spinning wheel and loom to obtain the cord and silk fabric. And once you've got these materials, you will be able to go ahead and build balloons. So if you open up the build menu and you want to come across to the toy section, you can see here for a small balloon you need 1 silk fabric, 1 torch and 1 cord. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and basically put a foundation down. So I'm going to build this here. And then what I can do is add some balloons to this. So of course you just want to add enough, and once you've added enough you're going to see the balloons are going to start working and the platform will take off like so. But that's basically how to go ahead and get balloons in LEGO Fortnite Survival. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.